Hi, my name is Mark Joseph, and I'm an expert in Microsoft PowerPoint. Today I'm going to show you how to make a funny award using Microsoft PowerPoint. First, we'll open up PowerPoint, and let's give this a heading. We'll click on the text box, and let's give this award the Dirtiest Employee Award. Okay, so we enter the text into the box, and then we'll center it. And let's give the text a different color, like say blue. Make it larger by going up here and changing the font size. And then you'll notice we have to recenter it because the font changed. And then we can insert some pictures. So you go to the Insert tab, look at the picture drop down, and then look through your computer and find any pictures that you might want to add into the award. Now I've saved a folder with some pictures that I think would work, and here's the first. All right, he represents dirty. And then we can add some more text right beneath this picture, and let's show that John Doe has been recognized for having the oldest item in the office's refrigerator. Okay, and then we'll center that. And then we can add a couple more pictures just to make it fun. Have another picture of an old refrigerator here. You can see how large that is. So if we just click on the right top corner, or any corner actually, we can resize, place it on the award. We'll add one more picture just for balancing out the award. And let's see. Here we go, some old food. All right, and we want to make sure that everybody knows that this belongs to John Doe. So let's highlight his name in bold, make it a little bigger, increase the font size again. And there you have it. That's how you create a funny award in Microsoft PowerPoint.